Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to update Windows on TOSHIBA Dynabook Tecra. In order to do it, go to the settings. In settings, go to Windows Update. Now, find Check for Updates button. It'll start checking for available updates, and if there are any, you will have a button to download and install all of them. Once they start downloading, you just can continue using your laptop, then they will start installing as well, and some of them may require a restart, so if they do, just restart your laptop and you'll be good to go. The restart may take a bit longer than usual because it has to apply the update in the meantime. And if there are several updates that are in the process and one of them is already finished and it prompts you to restart, then I would personally recommend waiting until all of the updates finish so you don't have to restart multiple times. I'm gonna wait only until the first and the third update get downloaded because I know the one in the middle will take quite a long time and I'm not really planning on recording the full process on this middle update, although for those two I'm gonna wait until they get installed and see if they prompt me to just restart the laptop. Okay, actually it's taking longer than I expected, so I'm gonna finish that video now. But once it says pending restart or required restart and none of the other updates are in the process of pending install, installing, downloading or whatever, then you can just restart with a button that will appear here to restart. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.